Audi S3, we've done a catback system, so no restrictions. You give it a rev. So you can hear there's no restrictions, there's quite a lot of drone to the car. But yeah, personal preference. Watch the water. It definitely needs sports res in there. He's been driving around all that time with that drone.